Welcome. If you want to get LED keyboard on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search bar and type here LED keyboard. You can also select it from this quick list, and we have to get this application from the XIAOMI Studio. There's the full name of the app, so right now we can open it, download, and after that we will be able to open. Okay, right now let's tap on the open button, click enable, and here we have to tap on the switcher to activate our LED keyboard. Click OK 2 times, then just go back, click select our LED keyboard, and here we are in the application, so we can here select our theme, and I'm going to pick up my favorite, Unlimited, and if you pick up your, click save it keyboard. And right now just close this ad and go for the example for the messages where you can check your new keyboard theme. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.